Hey there, this is LaQuita with QuitaBugHandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I have another really cute card to share with you featuring the Sunny Splash stamp set. I love this set. Perfect, obviously, for summer. Such a cute stamp set with these retro swimsuits. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. And I am actually going to use one of the card bases and envelopes from the Tea Boutique Cards and Envelopes. Probably not what you were expecting for this project, but I thought I wanted this parakeet party. I thought it was so cute, and I'm actually going to pair the envelope or the the parakeet party card base with one of the Tahitian Tide envelopes. But these are really cute if you haven't seen these cards and envelopes. You get, I think you get 4 of each. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, so they feature the new in colors. So this is the Starry Sky printed card base. Then here's the Orchid Oasis. Then the Tahitian Tide, the Sweet Sorbet, and then you have the Parakeet Party, and then you have matching envelopes. They're so cute. Look at that. And then Orchid Oasis. There you go. I think this one is really, really cute. I love how I think, what is that? Fresh freesia mixed in there. Just so pretty. So those are the cards and envelopes. Just a really cute set. Be great to make some cards and then give the little sets out as gifts. These are so cute. And of course, I'm not going to be able to get them back into the package. But yeah. Okay. Oh, got it. So anyway, this is what I'm going to use. And this card is actually really simple to create. And I totally forgot, you guys. Sorry, my brain is so distracted right now. I'm using the Waves of Inspiration stamp set as well. So Sunny Splash, Waves of Inspiration. Whoops. And then all you need is some basic white cardstock, and then I'm also going to use the rectangle stitch dies. You don't have to use these dies. You could just cut your basic white cardstock down to size for the stamps or for the stamped images, but I wanted to use my stitch dies because I almost use them for every single card. So let me bring in my mini machine, which I also use for every card, and my plates. Okay, so plate number 1, and yeah, this one, plate number 2, and let me grab this larger piece of basic white because I'm going to cut this die, and then I think this one fits with it. Yes, I'm gonna try to run these two through together at the same time. Please work with me. Yes. Okay, it's tight for me because this plate is warped and I need to stop using it probably, but I'm really frugal with my cutting plates. So I use them until literally they are just absolutely not usable. So it's gonna have to completely snap, crackle, and pop before I toss it. Okay, then let's do this again with the last rectangle die. Okay, and run that one through. Okay, all right, let's get started stamping. So I'm gonna bring in some scratch paper for this piece right here because I am going to stamp my huge wave. So I have this wave from the Waves of Inspiration stamp set. I have this on an F block, which is the biggest block that we carry. Let me bring in my Tahitian Tide, and I'm just going to ink this up. Just waiting for that motorcycle to go by. I will never live on a corner house again. It's so noisy. Oh my gosh, it drives me crazy, you guys. It really does. Okay, so now I'm gonna stamp this bottom left of my die cut stitched rectangle. It's just always, I swear, the loudest cars. I didn't even realize people had such noisy cars until I lived on a corner house. I'm gonna bring in Parakeet Party to stamp my swimsuit. And I decided to go with the horizontal striped suit. I thought it would look really nice with the vertical stripes on our card front. Something on there. I'm just gonna put it right in the center. I just love this stamp set. So you guys are probably gonna see a ton of projects from me for the remainder of this summer featuring this stamp set because I can't get enough of it. Okay, and then for this piece, I'm gonna bring in Orchid Oasis and we're gonna stamp Make a Splash. Make a splash. Just put that right in the center. Looks good to me. Okay, so now we are going to get some dimensionals onto the back of this. So let me get, I'm gonna put 3 on my sentiment here, and then 5 on my wave. And then for my bathing suit, I just want 2 at the bottom. And then I'm going to do Stampin' Seal at the top because this is going to overlap with our wave panel, and I do want the 2 panels to be flush. Okay, so I'm just gonna fold over my card base, and if you are maybe using a regular card base and some designer paper, the card base is cut 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, scored at 4.25 inches. And let's get our wave on. I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna leave just a little gap from the top, and I'm actually using these stripes to help me with placement of everything. So I think I want that there. I'm not gonna press down just yet, not until I think I have everything where I want it. And then our bathing suit, which that might be slightly crooked, but we're gonna go with it. I think I want my bathing suit right about there, but let's get everything else down. Make a splash. Let's put this right about there. And I think it looks good. Pressed. Okay, I'm gonna bring in the 2022-2024 in color matte decorative dots. And let's pull in some of the sweet sorbet. I actually don't have enough of the sweet sorbet left. I really want that color. Luckily, I have another pack. I didn't realize I had used so many of the little dots already, so second pack to the rescue. All right, so let's do, and these kind of have an ombre look to them, which is kind of fun. So let's just grab a few of these to put down. I'm just gonna mix in a large one there. And then, oops, another small one. Okay. All right, you guys, there it is. So easy to create and such a fun summer card. I love it. And then we have this beautiful matching envelope to go along with it. So let me also show you another version of this card. So here's another one that I created, and I actually used the Tea Boutique Designer Series paper instead. So I chose a similar pattern with the Parakeet Party, and then I just chose this other pattern for the flap. This is actually Sweet Sorbet in the background, but just gives you another version, and I just added that designer paper onto our basic white thick cardstock, and there you have another version of it. In case you don't have the note cards and envelopes, you can just make your own fun little background using some designer paper. So there it is, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget, you can find all of the measurements and all of the supplies for today's tutorial linked and listed down below in the video description and over on today's coordinating blog post, which is linked down below in the video description. So thanks again. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.